the remaining topics which we have which are being pending from yesterday's class. That is nothing but change password and profile update. Okay, and share my screen and I'll show my screen. I think you can able to see my screen. Yeah, these are project, right? Whenever I get this, then I have to give that command. Wait a minute, I changed the network connection. Yeah, am I audible now? If you have any problem, please tell me so that yeah. Wait a minute. I have to check whether my okay. Okay. So I have to run this project. Simply, I have a command called python manage.py run server. Let's check whether up to where we have done this. Yeah. This is my project, and I have done some in my customer. Okay, should I have deleted this? No. Okay, I have another email which I have registered called client@gmail.com. Okay, I'm done with profile, right? Profile and delete. Now I'm going to do edit operation, nothing but update operation. Okay, to do update operation, first of all, we have to uh, create a template. Profile update or customer update, whatever the name you want, you can give here, or simply you can also keep your template name as update, so that whatever you are going to do, you should have a clear vision on that, so that you can able to uh, refer it again and again. Okay, whenever you want, you can refer it, so that on that day you have to understand what you have written and all. Okay, profile. I will write some views for this and I will keep a link over there and I will do the remaining process. Okay. Okay. What profile update, right? Profile update request return enter request profile update dot html update dot html. Okay. Now I'll write URL for this. Path profile update comma field update comma name equal to. I have not passed any IDs over here. That's why I'm not passing any ID in my URL also. Okay. Now I have to pass this URL in my profile.html where I can see my details, customer profile. ID. Edit or update, whatever the name you can keep here. Anchor tag href. If you have any problem in listening, you can keep a message so that href URL profile update. Okay. And also I'll give head to my table th date. Okay. I've done with views URLs and also I have placed it in my template. Now I'll refresh it once. Okay, I got my update link here. If you want to give any color to this, you can give. Giving color for update, I want to give some blue color to my update word. So here I'm using class button button primary. Yeah, I got some button here. Here, why for delete? Okay, for delete, I got some different because I have even wrong spelling here. That's why I got like that. If you give correct sentence, then you will get a delete button like this and update button like this. If you click on update button, it has to go to profile update page. It is in profile update page, but I have nothing in my profile update page. That's why here nothing is shown. Now in my profile update, I want to get all the form in my profile update. Uh, I want to take registration form. Okay. And copy this page, copy the content of this page and paste it in this page and change according to your requirement. Okay. Here I am changing main header to customer header. Okay. Customer header. Now and refresh it. I got the registration page here. This is my update page. Okay. Here I am getting this data because it is saved in Google Forms. That's why I am getting this data. But here I have to change. I have to do some changes because when I click on profile update, I don't want to see this password box. I don't. And also I need all the data should be present in these boxes. Just I will edit that page. Edit that. Data, that's it. I don't want to give a new data here. I just want to edit the data like this. It should be seen like this. Okay, after that I should able to edit this, and also I should get my email here. Okay, and the thing is I should not edit my email. Okay, email should be very unique, so we should there is no we should not give any chance to update the email. Okay, now I will change according to my requirement. Here I will give update your profile. Okay, I have changed this. And here I should get the data from the backend. And the thing is here, okay, first of all, I will get the data from the backend, and then I will see what is the password, what I have to do with password and all. I will show you. To get the data from the backend, you have to get the data here. Object equal to, first I have to take session. From that session I want to get in the session I will get the email, right? From that email I want to get that row data. Okay, email equal to dot session email obj equal to customer, right? Customer dot objects objects dot get email equal to email. Okay, I got my email here, and I have to pass this object into my dictionary. Here I will take x and obj here. Okay, and I'm taking this variable here. From this x I can get the data x dot x dot x dot like that. Okay, in profile update I'll get, to get the data you have to give value. Okay, value equal to double floor brackets x dot email. Okay, x dot email. Here simply we can give the names, whatever the names you have in your input boxes. Okay, there is no need to go to models, and there is no need to check the names over there. Okay, because the names will be same here, right? We are using the same names. X dot name, value x dot number. In text area you should not take value inside this text area box. You have to take in between these two tags. Okay, I have shown you this. X dot address, value x dot 18, value x dot pin code, and here also I should get the password value also, because if you miss that password, we have used this customer form. Now in this customer form you will have password, so you have to mention password also, x dot password. Okay, and refresh this page. Yeah, I got all the data from the backend except this mobile because I think I have given the wrong. Yeah, X dot mobile is not number mobile. Okay, I have given the wrong data. That's why I got like this. But I should not change this email here. Okay, I should not. I do. I I should be disable that box to not to change any parameters in this. Okay, so I'll add read only here. Read only. So there will be no chance to edit this page. Okay, wait a minute. The page got refreshing. Yeah. Now there is no chance to edit this page. Edit this box. Okay. I can see this, but I can't edit this. The remaining all I can do edit, but here I should not see any password here. Guys, just give me a second. I'll be back. Just give me a second. Okay. I'll be yeah, guys. Sorry, disturbance. Now I don't want to see this input box. For that, what I have to do? In input of password, just add hidden. Hidden equal to hidden. That's it. Okay. You can also use type as hidden. Just mention hidden in different forms. You can do that. Okay. If you hide like this, the value will be stored in that box, but we can't see that box. That's it. Okay. I don't want this, and also I have to do some changes like I don't want this line here, and also this not register. I'll change it to update. Okay. I have done the required things for all my update operation. Here now I want to change the name to customer to client. On clicking on update, no changes have been done. If I go and check in profile, no changes have been done because I have returned logic only to view the page. That's it. To view the page, and that I got the data from the backend. That's it. I have not written any logic further. Guys, am I audible? Just show me a thumb like that so that I can able to understand. Okay. Now I'll write a logic for uh, update operation. Now already I have written views only to view that page, but now I'm going to write views to do some action in it. Okay. I'll give this as update request if request dot method equal to post id equal to request dot post id. You have to take each and everything. Okay. I've used this because to get the data by using id. Okay. ID is nothing but whatever the ID we have in that row, that ID will be presented here. From that ID, I am going to get the data. Obj equal to uh, customer dot objects dot get ID equal to ID. Now from the form, I am going to add the data by using the form. Okay, form equal to customer form request dot post. If I already know how to do this, if form dot is valid, form dot save, and I don't want to return render. I want to return read. I want to use return redirect to the profile page. Profile page. Okay. Else return render request. I don't want to use this. I will redirect only. Okay. Redirect profile only. Whether it is updated or not updated, I have to go to that page only. Return, because this is action, right? We have to use this logic in action. Profile. Okay. I'm done with update operation. Now I am going to use this operation in this view, this function in this function. How I can use means in template, I had an option to add these two by using in this form. I can do that. Okay. In this form, I have a function called action. Action, and I have to pass the URL of that update. Okay. URL update. Okay. Now I'll go and I'll try to update the data profile. You have to check whether you are getting to use this website. Okay. Clicking on update. If I have any errors, I can show this. I will get like this because I have not written any URLs for update. Simply I have written views and I've used in my template, but I have not written any URLs. Okay. You should not forget to write the URLs for any of the operation. Okay. Any of the function. Path date view dot update equal to update. Okay. Now I'll go and yeah, update. Okay, it is not getting right. Again, I'll refresh it once. My page is still reloading. I'll go and check in my terminal. Why? Yeah, clicking on update, I should get my page like this, and I should get the data. When if I try to update the data, it should get updated, and it should go to the main page. But observe, I have changed the name from customer to client. I got an error called ID because I should mention ID in this. Okay, because I should get all the data in that row, right? but I got all the data except ID. So I have to add ID in this. That is also, there is no chance to update that ID. So you have to give read only for that. Okay, don't forget. The name of the ID is ID only. Here value x dot ID, and there is no need of any patterns or formats here. No, there is no need of any placeholders also. Type will be number. Okay, let's see what will happen. I'm going to update the data now. I got ID where I can't edit this. Now I will change this customer to client. And if I click on update, I'm getting an error called profile because I have written the wrong URL. It is customer profile, not profile. Okay, views. You have to check the URLs before you are going to before you are redirecting to any other page. Okay, whether it is correct or not. Okay, customer profile, customer profile. Okay, you should the page should the program should get reloading like this. Okay, when you get this server link, so then you can use your website. Until then you can't use. Okay, okay, here I got return more than customer. It returned two. That means you have two data in your database. With the same email you have two data. I'll just yeah, here it is. Customer. We go to customer. I have two names with the client, but I have uh, mentioned some validations here. I have kept some conditions to not get added, but I have done all that for registration, but not for update. But here the thing is, I'm going to do update operation, but it was creating new row. I should edit the same row, right? It should the operation should be done in the same row, but I'm getting the new row. I will delete that row. If I want to do the same, if my changes should be reflected in the same row, means you have to add here you have to add instance. Okay, instance equal to obj. Okay, this data you have to give instance. That means you will get some data into this object, right? Instance means you are replacing in this form. In the same row you are replacing in this form. The meaning of instance is that only. Now I will go and check for the data whether I will whether okay. Okay, my data got reloaded. Now I click on update. My data, I got my data here. Now I'll give client client. Now I'll click on update. My name got changed from customer to client. Okay. Again, my number is with 9 series. I will change it to 8 series, and I want to change my address from KPHB to Kodpalli. Kodpalli update. The number has changed from 9 to 8 series, and my address have changed from KPHB to Kugatpalli. Like this, update operation can be done. Okay. Now I want to show you how to do change password. Okay, how I can change password by giving old password and new password. I don't want to change password in my profile because comparing to real time, we are doing projects which are very near to real time. Okay. In real time also, if you want to edit your profile, you will have all the details except your password. For your password only, you will have a different link to where you will give your old password and new password, and you will change the password because it has to be more secure, right? We will have more privacy for that. For in that purpose only, we are going to do a different operation for change password. Okay. First of all, I have to create template for change password. New HTML change password. Yeah, this is my template, and I will write views and URLs for this. F change. Don't give any space in between two words. Okay, use that, use underscore like this. Okay. Request. I'm going to change password page. Return render request change password dot html and an empty dictionary here. Now I will write URLs for this. You should be habituated to write URLs immediately after writing any view. Okay. Path dot password equal to password. Okay, I have done the change password URL. Now I want to give this change password not in any profile or any other place. I want to give this link in my header. Okay, in customer header only I want to give this. I give logout at the end, and in between in between home and logout, I want to give remaining functionalities. Like anchor tag in list, you have to use anchor tag to pass the link. Okay, anchor tag change. So here you can use because it is not a link, right? Here it is just a word. Okay, it is a front end word. Okay, Bootstrap change password and here class make you active. Okay, you active. And return all the things. Okay, now I'll go and check whether it has reflected in my page or not. Yeah, I got an error called change password. Yeah, because I have not used URL here. You have to give that URL, right? If it is static, you have to use the name static. If it is URL, you have to use the name URL. Okay. And in quotes, you have to mention the URL. Yeah, I got my change password link here. If I click on that, I am going to change password page, but there is nothing in my change password. That's why I'm getting a blank page. Now I want to do the change password by using that old password and new password. I need two input boxes, so I'll use some login page here. Yeah, customer.html. See, change password. Control A, Control V to paste the data. Now I will go and check whether this page is being displayed or not. I will refresh the page. Okay. I got the change password, but the header is different and the display content also different. Now I will change to my requirement. I will change first. I will change custom header to customer header, and here customer login to change password, and I have to give two input boxes, right? I don't want this register link here. I want to change change here. I should have two input boxes with password only. I don't want any uh, email or any other box here. So I'll remove this all unnecessary things. I gave my password as password only. I'll remove this placeholder, and also I will remove this pattern. Class, I should mention class here, okay? To do not uh, miss the alignment. Okay, you have to give the class name will be some. I have not mentioned any name here. That's why I'm giving an empty name. Afterwards, after writing the logic, I will show you how to write the name. I'll take placeholder as enter old password, new password. Okay, I'll go and check whether my page has been changed to my requirement or not. Yeah, successfully I have changed my page according to my views. Okay, now if I click my old password, some old password and some new password, if I click on change, it has to, the password should get changed, and also it has to go to login page. Okay, and if it is invalid, I should get a message like you have entered some invalid data, like that. Okay, uh, okay, okay, I will show you. So I'll write the views for that. First of all, I'll get the data in the session. After that, I will try to I'll get the email from the session, and I will get the that line from and I will show you how to change the password. Okay, email equal to dot dot session email. If or else I will explain you the logic in tomorrow's class. Okay, I think the time will be not sufficient in today's class. Or else, okay, then I will continue with this class only. Okay. Email equal to request dot session in We are posting the passwords, right? Like request dot method equal to post. I have to post the two passwords, right? So I am taking my one password equal to request dot post. In addition program, we have done this. If you remember, we have done the same thing. Password and new password equal to request dot post new password. Okay. No, I'm sure okay. I will show you how to use try and exception models. Okay. Using try exception. This is nothing but exception handling. Okay. User equal to it is a variable. Okay. This is nothing but this is a variable. Don't confuse while I'm using these variables. Okay. User equal to customer dot ob- objects dot get. It is check. I'm validating email and password. Okay. I'm validating email and password, whether this customer have the same email and password in the same row or not. Okay. If it is same, then my password, which my old password will be replaced with new password. Okay. Then I will save the data. User dot save. Okay. Now I will go to that login page. Return render request customer dot html, and I should pass a message like uh, password update successful. Okay. If not, it will go to the exception except block. Exception as e print. I'm printing if any exceptions I have in my page, then it will be printed in my terminal. Okay. Return render request changed. It should be in the same page. Okay. If it is not changed, then it should be in the same page. Okay. HTML. I should get a message like invalid credentials. Okay. Invalid credentials. Let's check whether this view will work out or not. Also, we have a different concept for writing change password as not okay. First of all, I have to mention the names also. This is my password. And this is new password. Okay, new passwords. Yeah, I am getting an error called new password. I click on change password. Okay, I click on change password. Now I am giving some wrong old password and some new password here. If I click on change, I'll get invalid credentials because this is not I have given the wrong data. Now I'm giving the right data. I'll check whether uh, I'll check whether my password is getting changed or not. My old password is 12345 and I'm giving 54321 as my new password. As I click on change the password update successful, I got a message called password update successful and it went to login page. Okay, it went to login page. Okay, like that you can change the password. Now if I try to give the new password 54321, it will log in. If there is my old password only 12345, if I click on login, you will get invalid credentials. If I give the new password 321, then it will go to login page. Okay, that's all about today's class. Do you have any doubts in today's class? Guys, if you have any doubts, you can ask me or else you can message me. Okay, friends, that's all about today's class. Have a nice day. You may leave the meeting. Okay.